Hello, hello, hello everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It has been a while since I have done one of these. I've been putting them on hold for the last couple months because I wanted to just kind of catch up on reading what I got. But if you guys are not sure what this is a romance reveal book box. It is a subscription box that you guys can get. There's a choice of getting 1 book, 2 books, 4 books, and 6 books. I end up getting the 4 books, and then you get some prizes with it as well. I will have a referral link below if you guys are interested in joining, but I absolutely love the books that I've been getting. One book that I got last time I did one of these, I read in one night. Like, I just sat and I read it. I was like, husband, I just finished a book. He's like, you read the whole thing? I says, yeah, I could not put it down. I could not put it down. And then, I've read 4. So far I've gotten 8 books and I've read 5 of the 8 books that I have so far. And they're pretty easy reads, so I'm excited to finally get another book box subscription. So we're just going to dig in and see what we have. Okay, so it says, in the mood to read. They always have really cute stickers. So let's just dig in and see what we have. So this is a bookmark. We got a little magnetic bookmark. So this is one that you open and then it kind of just wraps around your page. But it says follow your heart. So that's kind of cool. I always wanted to try one of these. So I got one of those. Here is a nice little sticker. Love lives in Long Valley. So this is one of the author's sticker of a cowboy. I'm just going to put that there. We have a little tag for your door. It says, go away, busy reading spice. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. We have another bookmark. It is a series of books by S. Saman. And I can't remember if I've seen these books or not. Like, that's one thing I like about this is because it gets me to read stuff that I normally will not pick out. And yes, okay. I'm already seeing... Oh, cool. We have a little, it's like a coffee cup holder of like some books and stuff. This is cool. I really like this. I don't really drink coffee, but with me I do drink like cold drinks and stuff. This is perfect for like drinks when you don't want to get your hands all cold and everything. So, yes, yes, yes. And then there is a plant mask. It is pomegranate softening masks. So, we got that. Sorry, my family came down and then they just started watching me while I'm trying to film and I'm like, seriously? But anyways, I got a face mask and I've actually been wanting to try a face mask lately. Like, I've been really trying to like keep track or clear my face, like, you know, cleansing it and putting stuff on it before I go to bed. So this is pretty good. And pomegranate seems pretty nice. So yeah, I got my kids always find the candy, but I ended up getting some Double Bubble and a Tootsie Roll, and I love it. And then I feel like I get a pen every single time, but this is a nice, like, big pen. It just says books, and that's kind of cool. And it's like one of those little, oh, and it's a flashlight. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, so handy dandy. So now here are the books. So again, I choose 4 books that I haven't probably read, but hopefully they're ones that I haven't read yet. And then each of them are signed. So we're gonna see this one. This one's actually catching my interest. It is called A Pointed N, and it looks like it's a sword. It says, Caitlin Foster's trapped in a cliche. She's stuck in a loveless marriage with philandering husband and unable to leave because of prenuptial agreement. After 2.5 decades, there's no need to maintain the facade for her children any longer, so it's time for a change. And then there's more to it, but that's kind of cool. It sounds interesting. And then there is a little signature in here. It says, may all your wishes come true. And it's signed by the artist. So that looks like a cool little book. And I love these sizes. Like, these are pretty quick reads. I mean, this one is 286 pages. So we got that one. The next one, this one's a big one. Oh, okay, I think I got something. This one is called His Last Dare. Now, this one's a little bit big, and that is okay because I'm fine with it. It doesn't have page numbers on it. But this one is when a bad boy and the sheriff's daughter Clyde will love take over. Oh, this is kind of about, this is like about a band, I think is what it is. I really like books like this where they're like traveling and like a band. I've read a couple different ones. I'm actually reading one right now about two bands traveling together. And now my family comes downstairs to bother me again. So as I was saying, I love like books like this where like they're on the road and they meet. I'm assuming this is kind of what it was because it sounds like it's about a guy who's in a band. So yes, his last dare. So that looks pretty good. And then this is what I saw. Revenge Error. And I think this one is actually on my Goodreads for want to read. Revenge. If I could spell era, I wrote E-T-A. This is actually on my list of books to read. It is a little thin of a book, but this is supposed to be about like Taylor Swift, kind of. And I heard it's got like Taylor Swift vibes from it. But it says, this reputation won't fix itself. I'm tired of being the girl everyone talks about, the one every man leaves. I know that story all too well. So when I catch my boyfriend of 2 years cheating on my tour manager, I shake it off and seek revenge with his dad. And I've heard this book is really, really good. So I'm pretty excited because this book, I'm excited for it. I can't remember if this was on Kindle Unlimited or not, but I am pretty excited for this. But yes, it does give, like, this is such a fast read. Like, this is only 152 pages. I could read this in like an hour and a half, maybe. Not even. It'll probably even be quicker than that. So this will probably be the book I'm gonna read next because I'm pretty excited for that. And then I love hockey books, hockey romances and all that stuff. But we got Totally Pucked by Paris Winters. Hockey god Wyatt the Hammer Clanton has one goal: hold on to his spot in the NHL. After one goes too many reckless fights, his team captain suggests he rebuilds his image. The solution: the coach a kid's hockey team. He never expects Nora, the one-night stand who rocked his world, to show up with a kid of her own. So looks like some rekindling. But yes, this one is signed. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, all these are signed. Or this one is not signed. Most of them are signed, but this one is not. Okay. Yeah, this one is not signed, but that is okay. That is okay. But yes, these are the books that I got for this month, and there's actually one that is on my wish list, and I am beyond excited for that. So I think I paid like 50 bucks for all this stuff, and then the stuff that came with it with shipping included. So if you guys are interested in this, definitely check the links below. But yes, I am super excited for these books that I got that's on my list. So yes, that is awesome. Make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.